Hey there, welcome to Travel Adventures. Our planet faces unprecedented environmental challenges. Today, we examine 5 countries grappling with severe pollution issues that affect millions of lives and ecosystems. The first country we'll look at is Bangladesh. Bangladesh faces a perfect storm of pollution challenges. The capital, Dhaka, consistently ranks among the world's most polluted cities. Air quality readings often exceed safe levels by 400%. The country's booming textile industry, while economically vital, has turned rivers toxic. The Buriganga River, once Dhaka's lifeline, now runs black with industrial waste. Leather tanneries dump chromium and other chemicals directly into waterways. With 165 million people in an area smaller than Illinois, population density compounds every environmental problem. Yet Bangladesh is also pioneering solutions, from urban green initiatives to stricter industrial regulations. The second most polluted country on the list is India. India's rapid industrialization has come at an environmental cost. Delhi's air pollution during winter months creates a toxic haze visible from space. The air quality index regularly hits hazardous levels. The sacred Ganges River, lifeline to 400 million people, carries sewage, industrial chemicals, and ritual offerings downstream. Despite its spiritual significance, stretches of the river are biologically dead. India processes 70% of the world's electronic waste, often through informal recycling that releases toxic materials. However, the country is also leading renewable energy adoption and implementing ambitious cleanup programs like the Namami Gange project. Third on our list of the most polluted country is China. China's economic miracle transformed the nation but left environmental scars. At its peak, pollution in Beijing was so severe that residents couldn't see buildings blocks away. Coal burning and industrial emissions created deadly air quality. Rapid industrialization contaminated water sources. The Yellow River, China's mother river, became too polluted for irrigation in many areas. Soil contamination affects 16% of China's land area. But China has also become the world's largest investor in clean energy. The country now leads in solar panel production and electric vehicle adoption, showing that economic powerhouses can pivot towards sustainability. On our list at number 4 for the most polluted country is Indonesia. Indonesia faces unique pollution challenges. Jakarta, sinking faster than Venice, struggles with air pollution from millions of vehicles and nearby coal plants. The city's air quality ranks among Asia's worst. Annual forest fires, often set to clear land for palm oil plantations, create massive smoke clouds that drift across Southeast Asia. These fires release more carbon than entire countries produce annually. As an archipelago of 17,000 islands, Indonesia struggles with plastic waste management. Rivers carry tons of plastic debris to the ocean, making Indonesia one of the world's largest marine plastic polluters. The fifth and last most polluted country on our list is Nigeria. Nigeria, Africa's most populous nation, faces pollution challenges tied to oil production and rapid urbanization. Lagos, with over 20 million residents, battles severe air pollution from vehicle emissions and industrial activities. The Niger Delta, once pristine wetlands, suffers from decades of oil spills and gas flaring. Local communities face contaminated water, poisoned soil, and health problems from hydrocarbon exposure. Alaba Market in Lagos receives massive amounts of electronic waste from Europe and America. Informal recycling methods, burning cables to extract copper, release toxic fumes into densely populated areas. These challenges aren't permanent sentences. Each country shows signs of progress, stricter regulations, cleaner technologies, and growing environmental awareness. Bangladesh is revolutionizing flood-resistant agriculture. India's solar capacity has increased 20-fold in a decade. China's reforestation efforts are visible from space. Indonesia has committed to reducing marine plastic waste by 70%. Nigeria is developing cleaner oil extraction methods. The path from pollution to sustainability isn't easy, but these nations prove it's possible. With international cooperation, technological innovation, and political will, even the most polluted places can become models for environmental recovery. Environmental challenges are global, but so are human ingenuity and determination.